Guys, want to help your dental clinic get more patient appointments? In this video, I'll show you how to create a professional landing page for dentists in Sistine.io that captures leads and encourages visitors to book an appointment. Step 1. Log into your Sistine.io account and click Funnels. Click Create, name your funnel Dental Clinic Landing Page, choose Build an Audience, and click Create. Open the opt-in page and click Edit Page. Step 2. Choose a clean and professional landing page template. Replace the headline with a strong offer, such as book your free dental consultation or get a professional teeth cleaning and oral health checkup. Add a short description explaining why patients should choose your clinic. Step 3. Now customize your landing page by adding your dental clinic logo, a professional photo of the dentist or clinic, a list of services such as teeth cleaning, dental implants, braces, root canal treatment, cosmetic dentistry, or teeth whitening. Before and after photos, only if you have permission to use them. Patient testimonials, an appointment request form asking for the visitor's name, phone number, email, and preferred appointment date. A clear button like Book My Appointment or Schedule a Free Consultation. Step 4. Create a thank you page. Thank visitors for requesting an appointment and let them know when they can expect a call or confirmation. If you use an online booking system, you can also add a button that allows patients to choose an available appointment slot immediately. Step 5. Preview your landing page on both desktop and mobile devices. Submit a test appointment request to make sure your form, buttons, and thank you page all work correctly before publishing. And that's it! You've created a professional landing page for a dental clinic in Sistine.io. If you'd like to build landing pages, sales funnels, and websites for local businesses, check out my Sistine.io affiliate link in the description below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Funnel Growth Lab, and turn on notifications for more practical Sistine.io tutorials.